About the CLS, pretty common items to break, and we actually replaced some SAM parts here. Yeah. There's we go. So here's my clips here we just installed. So pretty common to break. I'm show you what those look like. Here we go. Got some broken ones. They're missing tabs. So what happens is we do a lot of them. Here's some old ones here. What happens is these will actually slide out and break, and then the sunroof will actually cock over, something like this. Now I'm already putting it back in, and if you keep pushing, it'll actually not work. So I'm going to snap it in, slide it back into place. Already lubed everything up. We use special Mercedes lube, so that's all inserted. These are not, so I got to get the back this side. Fairly common on the CLS. The CLS will have issues with these. E-Class, pretty much all of them. Just like that. There we go. So now this should slide like it's intended, just like that. So now we actually lubed everything up. That's the key. And we're going to slide it back and forth a couple times. Biggest reason why this happens is because folks don't take care of their cars properly. Not necessarily this car, but in general they don't lube the tracks or have it serviced. When we service these, we lube the tracks so this doesn't happen. Okay, so we're done with this. More than likely this will have to be replaced soon, because what happened is when it went cocked, it pinched the headliner material, and this is old brittle, and what happens is eventually we'll start taking it off, start sliding it. So yeah, this is it. This is the problem with these.